I'm not even picking up. Good?
Not really. I don't think I'll be able to.
Oh.
Nice and easy.
Just yell if it's getting too heavy. Ready? Okay, yes. Down. You good? If you're on the bumper.
My hand's on something. Right. If I put it down. I gotta.
You're on the bumper, yeah.
My hand's out from underneath it. Yeah.
Yep, it's starting to get a little heavy for
Okay,
me.
Yeah,
put it down.
Put it down.
Where's that other?
So you need to change your ignition switch. Got to get out your barrel cylinder lock. Need your key, paper clip, and any paper clip will do. Doesn't have to be green. You can see there's a little pin you push in that unlocks it, and there's a little cutout. So there's the hole, and if you have it out like I do, you can kind of see where the cutout is, just in there. Maybe on camera, maybe not, but get your paper clip in there, push, and then you need to push and turn back even further. There's some tension. Pull the paper clip out. No. Oh, I got it. Just that easy. Back to the new one. Leave the key in. I don't know what'll happen if you don't put the key in, but there she goes. Good as new. I never did look if it was the same. Somebody said the 67 is a little different. I don't see any difference here, but 60. I ordered one for 67. It's identical.